Hi, Mr. Aslan, the landlord here. It's Friday, 29th of July 2022, and the time is 3:21, 21 minutes past 3, 15, 21 hours. 21 minutes past 3, 15, 21 hours, and I'm about to have my one meal of the day. It's a salad. I've got moringa leaves. I've got the last of my black grapes. Well, half of the last of my black grapes went in here, half went into the smoothie. Okay, and I've got some chervil, some sprouts. I didn't bother to read the label what they were. They were all marked down at a bend which I went to yesterday or day before. I got a whole bunch of stuff. No, day before. Certainly wasn't yesterday. Yeah, that day I got back home on Wednesday at 22-30 hours or so, and I went out of the house at 07:30. So I was out like most of the day. What else have I got here? I've got half a fresh beetroot. I've got some Four Seasons lettuce, all marked down. Half yellow capsicum. The yellow capsicum is there for the lutein and zeaxanthin, which is also in leafy green vegetables, by the way, except you don't see the yellow because the chlorophyll green pigment masks the color of the yellow orange zeaxanthin and lutein. Okay, and I've got a bit of Korean mandarin fruit vinegar. I've got a bit of Korean strawberry and grapefruit vinegar. I've got the black grapes, as I mentioned earlier, the moringa leaves and all that, and then I put my kampot black pepper, mixed white and black. I found a stash of kampot pepper actually from my last visit, quite a number of years ago now, but they're still good. So I'm using those, and also I've put my seaweed sesame seed mix, 4 different types of seaweed: lava, wakame, shinjuki, and furikake. Yep, as well as black and white sesame seed, and I also got a little bit of dried purple Korean purple perilla in there as well. Okay, naturally rich in iodine, zinc, magnesium, as well as sodium. Okay, for today's smoothie, I actually used Mighty P, which was it's supposed to say here somewhere. They don't write it very clearly, but I think it's sweetened. The one, oh, okay, is that? You see, they always do things really small and they put white on white. How do you expect me to read, Anyway, I think this is sweetened because I used the unsweetened one before the other day. Made from, okay, they use these funny names. Yellow split peas. What the heck are those? Those are lentils, okay? And what does it say here? 50% less sugar than cow's milk. Okay, so it is sweetened because it does have sugar. It just has less sugar than cow's milk. Cow's milk has lactose. This has something or other, 50% more calcium than cow's milk. Okay, that's believable because all plant material have calcium, because calcium is an essential component of plant cell walls, and all plants have plant cells, and all plant cells have cell walls. Oops. Clumsy me. Okay, is that nutritional info? Yeah, typical values for fat. It's 2% fat, okay, of which saturated, mono unsaturated, polyunsaturated, and then carbohydrates is also 2%, of which sugars are 2%. So it's all the carbohydrates are sugar. There's no starch in here. What else is in there? Fiber is hardly any fiber, 0.1 grams. This is per 100 ml. Okay, so hardly any fiber. Protein is 3.3%, and salt, is that salt? Yeah, that's salt. is 0.26 grams, so it's 0.26%. What else? Vitamin D, this is what, fortified? Don't know, it doesn't say. It's already in there perhaps, not added. Oh, it's so tiny, I can't read. I didn't bring my reading glasses, that's why. And then there's iodine in there as well. So probably they add sea salt if there's iodine. Okay, what else is here? 0 grams per 250 glass. Okay, that's servings. What was that? E3. Oh, I can't read it. Anyway, their website's not terribly helpful. They don't give me, hard facts. They give me all sort of marketing spiel, blah, 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 which I'm not interested in. I'm interested in the hard facts, okay? So if you're listening and you're designing this website, please have a rethink, because I don't think very highly of your work. And the two brothers, Tom or whatever, you don't even give your full names, so I just know it's made by gleepfarmfoods.co.uk or something like that. It should say on the box actually. Well, even if it does say, they hide it somewhere really tiny as if they don't want me to read it. It's not obvious, I mean, if it's not obvious, then how do you expect me to hunt and look for it? These are really tiny. My God. Okay, if you wanna, okay, just the front Mighty P looks big. Even then, there's a lot of distraction to read it, all that sunburst and whatever else. Okay. And what is 8G supposed to mean? 8G of plant protein. Oh, 8 grams. Grams is small g, for God's sake, not capitals. Okay, free from dairy, nuts, and soy. Fortified with calcium. Okay, so the calcium are not from plants. Fortified means it's added. So it's added calcium, added iodine, and added vitamin D and B12. So nutritionally, the base is nothing. All the good stuff is added. So powered by plant protein. Okay. But as you can see, it's not much. It's like 2% or some. Protein is 3.3%. Is that what it is? It's so frustrating not able to see. I went out today and then when I came back, I came straight to the kitchen on the 3rd floor, so I didn't go up to get my reading glasses. So anyway, I'm about to enjoy my lunch now, so see you next time. Bye.